Ready?
Yep, it's good. Crosby, what's in your shirt?
So.
Is there something in your shirt?
Mama on the
Look. Is there something in your shirt?
Say ba. Da.
Is there something in there?
No.
Stand back further. Here you go. Put fingers on it.
Oh, it's on the bottom there. Just, Mama, I got it.
What's in there? What's in there? Is there something in there? Is that where your belly button is? Yeah? Is it dark in there? Where's your belly button? In there?
No.
Here, listen to that.
Okay, I want to see it.